I have absolutely zero design skills, and I'm hoping to change that with the interior design show that I'm at today. Maybe I can actually learn how to properly decorate my room and not make it look like a frat house. Here's the situation. I just moved into a new place. I got this huge space for a studio and office, but it's a complete mess. And sure, yeah, this might be more of an exercise in, let's say, unboxing and organizing, but I did some interviews with the best designers and artists in Toronto, and I'm gonna use what they teach me to fix up my room. So let's get started. First thing I need to get rid of are these boxes right here full of books for my bookshelf. Let's see if there's any tips on how I can organize my bookshelf and make it look pretty nice. When organizing a bookshelf, what are the best tips you can give me?
The best tips to give when organizing a bookshelf from an aesthetic point of view is we like to try to organize things with color coding or with sizing. So kind of putting books together maybe vertically with bookends, and then also doing some shelves where they're laying flat and stacked with an object on top.
Here are examples of that high-grade male literature that we got to organize here. Blood Meridian, about a book about wacky adventures in the frontier. House of Leaves, a very normal book about a very normal house. One Punch Man, Volume 29. The Infinity Gauntlet series. Of course, Berserk. And here's the results. I think I can use some rearranging right now, but I think it's a good start. Kept all the comics, business books, and all that other stuff together, right? Maybe I can slap an art piece on it or something later. I think that's a pretty good start. But what about organizing art pieces, though? The Studio North section featured tons of amazing artists. I asked around about arranging art pieces, models, whatever, and in the meantime, I'm still checking out these really nice art booths. Now I got this one nice piece here, or I like to call it the Long Lac from IKEA. Let's see how I can arrange some art pieces on it. When arranging art pieces on a wall, what's the best thing you can do to make them look professional and pleasing?
I'm a big fan of mixing and matching, so I think if you can play around with scale and patterns and people, or stick with one type of person and mix and match their work, that's my favorite. Bring in different sizes, bring in different profiles, bring in different shapes and colors, and have fun with it. It's the best way to do it.
Yeah, so those art pieces I was mentioning, it's Lego. It's just Lego. As for mixing and matching, I don't know, I mixed in some Star Wars, I got that Mega Bloks Pokemon, whole ton of F1, so I think I made it work. Now, how about arranging instruments around your room? I'm no acoustics guy, but I'm sure someone can help me find the best spot for my keyboard. How do you get the best acoustics for a piano in your room?
What kind of piano do you have?
It's a Steinway.
Okay, so I would say you should place it somewhere that there's no echo, no noise, somewhere nice in the corner that there's no aircon noises, just like no noise is ideal.
I'm no audio engineer, but this seems like a good enough spot. Before we tackle the next part, you gotta check out this cool exhibit by Rollout. Oh, guess there's no escape. Now let's tackle the washroom. The interior design show showed many ways you can really decorate your washroom. This one exhibit here, specializing in faucets, really helped out a lot. Oddly enough, my mic cut out on him, but he mentioned keeping a very tidy sink. Your towel racks are firm and nailed well to the wall, and your toilet paper racks also being sturdy. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Let's talk about having a clean and organized workspace. What are your thoughts on keeping a desk modern and organized?
Great. Well, I'm Ryan Taylor from Object Interface, and I do that by using my new prototype of a shelving system called Scaffold, which is an open concept, highly modular system that allows you to create different lengths and widths and heights by stacking the system up and down, and then creating desk space or open shelving to display product, organize your artwork, put your books, and keep everything all in one place in a streamlined position.
I don't know, good enough, I guess. Now lastly, wall art. Before we learn the secrets of the trade, you gotta check out this cool robot arm though. It's just like FabTech. How do you properly arrange art pieces around your room?
Great question. So kind of how we did it here, you always want your piece to be at your eye level. So if it's going in your home, you can choose where your eye level is, but you also want to leave a bit of space between other pieces. Of course, in our demo booth here, we're not allowed to really do that, but choosing the right size of painting for the wall is really important.
So for very fine art, we got this nice printed picture of Toronto. Just ignore the tears on the side there, it's all right. And lastly, we got this old Beatles, pretty cool Beatles memorabilia thing. But I think as long as I've had this, I never once hung it up on a wall. Goes perfectly with this Beatles poster, or this Beatles music book right over here. Straight up, I do not trust myself to start hanging up portraits, so I am going to leave these aside for now. All right, this event has been a great success. I think I learned a lot here, and I think I can really improve my space. And so yeah, that should do it for now. At least I neatened everything up. Not finished with the decorating yet, but I can get there eventually. But at least now I resisted the male urge to put everything against the wall. Mostly. One of the few items I got lying around is this thing, which is perfect for you when you just need to lay on the ground and sort of just stare off into space. Like this. If you're still watching, I want to thank you for sticking around. Please be sure to like and subscribe, as cliche as that sounds. My next show is going to be on the Golf and Travel Show hosted by Golftown, so I'm going to see if I can learn the secrets of the game and improve my swing. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe to join the expedition. And lastly, I would like to thank everybody who did one of those interviews. I hope IDS was a huge success for you.